Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the Agile board for all projects. Okay, so it is very easy and it is going to be in a couple of steps. So you have to click on projects first, then you could check the issues, check the Agile board, check the swim lanes afterward. Okay, so these are the simple steps. And I'm going to show you how it could be done so it could be easier for you to understand. Okay, now so we're going to our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com, so you can access it anytime to do some tests for your team or for anything that you wish. And you have to log in there with credentials user admin and password admin, so it is automatically filled, but please keep in mind that these are the credentials. Okay, so currently we are in the Agile projects, but our case, the Agile project only, but our purpose is to see all issues from all projects on one single Agile board. So for this purpose, you have to go to projects first here, that is located on the top left corner. So this is the first step that is listed in our article. Okay, so the second thing is to just check the issues. Okay, so if we click on issues, this is going to list all the issues from all projects. So we see that we have list of issues now, and on the project column we see that we have issues from the help desk project, from the Agile project, and from the CRM project, invoices, and so on. There are 46 issues from all different projects. Okay, now the next step is that you have to open the Agile board. This is a global Agile board that is actually going to list all issues from everywhere into Redmine. Okay, so we click Agile now, and if we expand the options here and click on the project card field, just to see where it is. Here it is, project card field. Click on apply and see that we have uh, the project here listed on the top of the ticket, okay, on the Agile board. So it is easier for you to know which ticket is from which project, okay, because there are a lot of tickets. In our example, we have a couple of projects, 5 or 6 projects, and 46 tickets. But if you have, imagine if you have, for example, 100 projects and 10,000 of issues, then you need to know which issue is from which project, and this label is very useful for you. So we see that this ticket is from the Agile project, and this one is, actually we see that all of these listed now are from the Agile project. Uh, it's a bit strange why they are only from the Agile project, but let's see if we have some additional settings. We see that there are no additional settings. Maybe there are no issues from the other projects, so we are just going to create some. We could check this also, by the way, via the next step. So we have Swimlane here. This is going to group all the issues via a specific value. So in our case, we could pick project and it could list it group it via project. So let's see. We click on Swimlane here and click project and then click on apply. So we see that Agile project demo has 18 tickets into it. Okay, so they are listed here, and if we make it collapsed, then they are hidden. So this means that actually in the other projects we do not have any issues, but I'm going to change it now so you could easily see it live how it could be done. So I open CRM project, help desk project, invoices, and products. And here on the issues, we see that we have issues here, but why they are not listed? This is very, very strange. Let's see and investigate. Okay, so we go again to the global agile board, and it is on Swimlane. Oh, actually, I know what is the problem. Actually, these projects are not listed here because the Agile module is not enabled into this project. So it is actually one troubleshooting guide and point for you. So if you have the same problem, you know how to solve it. Okay, so to make the other projects appear here, you have to just enable the module of Agile into this project. So we are in the CRM project now. Go to settings and see that Agile is disabled. Okay, so we enable Agile and Agile backlog. So if we return back to the global Agile board and refresh our page, we see that CRM issues are now listed. Okay, you see we have Agile and CRM projects, 5 tickets here and 18 tickets here. Okay, so if we go to help desk again, we see settings. Agile is disabled, so we enable the module for this project. Go back to the Agile board, refresh, and see that we have help desk 2 tickets. Okay, and same thing is for the invoices. We go to setting of the invoices, enable the Agile and Agile backlog, and absolutely the same is for products. Actually, there are no issues here. Yeah, so I refresh again and see that I have invoices 21 tickets now here. So this is the Swimlane feature that is showing every project and how many tickets there are in the Agile board. So we can expand them all, of course. So we expand this, this, and this. And we got all tickets from all projects that are listed. And yeah, they are grouped by swim lane. Okay, so if we remove the swim lane, then it is going to be just a normal agile board. And the first thing that I wanted to show you is when you select the project card field, it is going to point you which ticket is from which project. Okay, so we see that we have a lot of tickets here, and we see that this one is from CRM, this one is from help desk, this one is from invoices, and this one is from agile, and so on and so on. So it is easier for you to see which one is from which project. But it is more important that these are from all projects around Redmine. But please keep in mind that you have to enable the agile modules for all projects that you wish to be listed here on the global agile board. Okay, and I want to show you just one simple trick. So if you would like to not anytime click on the project card field to be visible when you select the agile board, then you have to save this board as a custom query. So you click on save, then you can name it, for example, project card field, make it to be available for any users, for all projects, and we click on save. So it is saved here on the right corner, Agile Boards project card field. Okay, so if you clear the board and yeah, it is just go somewhere else, for example, on deals, and then return back to Agile and want to see which ticket is from which project, you just see here on the right sidebar, and with one click, open the saved board project card field, and it is automatically selected. So the filter, sorry, not the filter, but the option of the project card field is automatically selected, and you can see which ticket has its own label, and it is pointing which project it is, which project it is from. Okay. Yeah, so this video was about showing you how to see all the tickets from all projects on one single agile board, and how to group them as a swim lane, and how to see which ticket is from which project. I hope this video was good and helpful for you. And if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel. You could like the video, share the video, and so on. And if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to drop a message to support@redmineup.com. And thank you again for the patience of watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.